That 185 heart rate spike on a 15% gradient is totally lost on your viewers, unless they can actually see the numbers. Adding telemetry turns a scenic ride into a performance story. The core 4 metrics to show are speed, heart rate, power, and gradient. But here's a quick caveat: skip cadence, unless your audience is strictly training focused. RPMs mean absolutely nothing to casual viewers. For the software, you have 3 main options in 2026. Dashware is the best free tool for Windows. Race Render 3 costs $50 to $100, but offers the ultimate customization. And Garmin Verb Edit is discontinued, but frankly, still works great if you find the download. Let's look at the standard workflow using Dashware. You'll import your video file, then import the .fit file from your Garmin or Wahoo. The software reads the GPS and power data, letting you drag and drop pre-built gauge templates right onto your footage. This is where beginners get frustrated, syncing the data. The easiest trick: physically clap in front of the lens exactly when you press start on your bike computer. If you forget to clap, manually align a known event, like hitting a steep gradient. Once synced, remember that less is more. Keep your gauges semi-transparent in the bottom third of the screen, so they don't block the actual ride. GoPro Quick overlays data automatically, but here's the catch: it only uses the camera's internal GPS. It won't connect to your power meter or heart rate strap. To break up the POV footage, use 3D route flyovers as B-roll. If you have the $12 a month Strava subscription, export their 3D flyover clip. Alternatively, the free tier of Relive generates fantastic animated maps that instantly elevate your edit. Finally, don't leave all the numbers on screen forever. Fade the heart rate gauge in only on massive climbs, and show speed only on descents. Build the drama. Make every metric earn its screen time. Go ride.